Today, I'm going to be showing you how to take a screenshot and view that screenshot later using your YOUCANIC scanner. Now, you can take a screenshot of anything on your scanner, but right now I'm looking at some live data in the ECU. What you're going to do is take this power button and you're going to press it 2 times quickly. And there you go. You've taken a screenshot. You can share that screenshot, edit it, or delete it, but if you just want to save it, you can just swipe that notification to the side. To view the screenshot that you've just taken, go back to the home page and select Data Manager. From here, you're going to select Image and go to System Screenshot. Here's the screenshot that I've just taken. Now, as you can see, I have already renamed the file so that it's easier for me to find later. You can rename the file by either pressing and holding down on the screenshot option here, selecting it, and then selecting the rename option. Or you can select the file and select rename here and rename the file this way. Once you've opened up your screenshot, you also have the option to print it. Please do not save this file as a PDF because it will not be saved to the PDF section of the Data Manager. It will instead be saved as a PDF file in the Auxiliary Tools app, and it can be very hard to access once it's been saved. But if you press this drop-down menu, you can find your printer here. You're going to have to select this little arrow and find this drop-down menu here for this blue print button to appear. And that's it. You've successfully taken a screenshot and now know how to access it for future reference. If you run into any problems during this process, feel free to email us at support@youcanic.com. We are always happy to help.